Let me tell you a truth most people avoid. A man works for 40 years, promotions, raises, bigger house, better car. Every year he says, "I'll get serious about retirement soon." Then one day retirement is no longer far away. It's staring back at him, and the wealth he assumed would appear hasn't. Retirement doesn't reward effort, it rewards design. The smartest way to retire rich begins with a simple but radical shift. Pay your future self first. Most people save what's left after spending. The wealthy invest first and adjust their lifestyle around what remains. The moment income enters your account, a portion should automatically move into long-term investments. Not when you feel ready, not when expenses calm down, immediately. Automation removes emotion, and emotion is what ruins consistency. The next pillar is time. You don't need complex analysis or constant market predictions. You need patience. Small, steady investments over decades outperform dramatic bursts of enthusiasm. Starting early reduces pressure later. Waiting forces you to compensate with stress and risk. Time quietly multiplies disciplined behavior. The earlier you respect it, the easier your future becomes. But here's the silent enemy of retirement: lifestyle inflation. As income rises, spending expands to match it. The nicer apartment, the upgraded car, the luxury vacations. None of these are wrong until they consume every raise. Smart future retirees do something different. They let income grow, but they cap lifestyle growth. Instead of upgrading appearance, they upgrade ownership. Instead of signaling wealth, they build invisible wealth. Ownership is the real game. Retiring rich is not about a large bank balance. It's about owning income-producing assets. Simple index funds, dividend-paying investments, rental properties, a business. Anything that generates income without requiring your daily labor. The goal is freedom from dependency. When your money works harder than you do, retirement becomes optional, not forced. There's also a psychological layer most people ignore. Retirement is not just a number, it's an identity. If you think, "One day I'll build wealth," you delay action. But when you decide, "I am someone who builds long-term wealth," your behavior shifts. You stop reacting to short-term noise. You stop chasing trends. You stay consistent when others panic. Consistency beats intensity every time. There will be years when progress feels slow. There will be headlines predicting crashes and chaos. But wealth is rarely built in dramatic moments. It's built in quiet repetition. Automatic investing, controlled spending, long-term thinking, and emotional discipline. So ask yourself this: if work became optional tomorrow, would your money support your life, or would your life depend on more work? The smartest way to retire rich is simple. Start early, automate investing, control lifestyle growth, focus on income-producing assets, and stay consistent for decades. Retirement wealth isn't built in your final working years. It's built in the first years you choose discipline over delay. And one day, when you wake up without needing an alarm clock, you won't feel lucky. You'll feel prepared.